morning, everybody.
Morning.
Welcome to the Bolsa Chica Wetlands. I'm going to introduce Grace Adams. She's the director of the Wetlands, and she's going to tell us a little bit about the wetlands and what we're going to be doing today. Grace?
Thank you so much for coming here to Bolsa Chica, the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve. I'm with the Bolsa Chica Conservancy, which is a private nonprofit organization that works here to provide education programs and habitat restoration initiatives. We are thrilled that you have chosen to partner with us and work with us here today. We're a private, public-private partnership, and our relationships with corporate citizens like AES are very important to us in our ability to carry out our programs. But what you're participating in right now is basically helping us restore a historic sand dune community that is increasingly becoming rare here in Southern California. And the area is actually we're hoping to be able to clear it with invasive plants that will pave the way for better nesting habitat for endangered species of birds and threatened species of birds.
We're going to walk over the bridge here and then walk out to Rabbit Island. It's about maybe a mile, not too far. We can talk along the way about how it got to be here, the way it is, and if we see any birds, we can identify those. We'll split into two groups, okay?
So probably split in half, right?
Split in half.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Any concern about snakes or anything? Just from the safety
No,
point of
it's
view?
too cold today.
How much warmer does it have to get for the snakes? A few degrees.
Warmer, a lot warmer than
Well, we're happy to be here. Our entire senior leadership is here. We had our kickoff meeting, and the kickoff meeting is the most important meeting we have each year, and we have 100 of our top leaders join us. But we choose a different location each year, and this year we chose California in general because California is one of the most important markets to our company right now. But what happened this year was, rather than just do 3 days, we took an extra 2 days. And even though it takes time out of some people's personal lives, this extra day today, Friday, we decided that we'd spend it on some social responsibility and community work, because that's part of what AES is based upon. We know that if we don't have a sustainable community, our businesses are not sustainable. So there's approximately 20 or 30 people behind me that decided to stay back, to not go home to their families. And we're not all in Virginia, some of these people are around the world. To spend the extra day, and we're here to help clean up the wetlands, to hopefully make this community a better place to live.
As you notice, there's still oil wells left.
That was a good trip over. It's gorgeous. As you're walking here, you realize you're actually lucky. And today's one of the many, many examples that makes why AES is a great place to work. Very, very few places would give you the opportunity to do something like this.
We're going to be working on Rabbit Island, which is this island out here. I think Greg went over a little bit. It's a tidal marsh, and it also has some strand dune habitat on it. And so what we're going to be doing is removing this invasive plant, ice plant, which is originally from South Africa. So basically the drill is going to be, we're going to get our stuff, we're going to walk over to our little bridge that we have over there. We're going to walk onto the trail. It is muddy at first, so be careful while you're getting out there. It can get really slippery. We're doing our best to get you to the safest path so that you don't have to worry about it.
I figured we'd be over on the bridge.
No, we talked about just doing a tour, but the team decided that wasn't enough. They wanted to do something that was really going to add value and get their hands dirty.
I think you nailed it.
It's called ice plant or sea fig. It's originally from South Africa. It's really well adapted to our climate. It's a similar climate in South Africa, and it actually is better adapted to the climate than most of our native plants. So we're going to be pulling it out. It's really full of water, so it's nice and squishy when you walk on it. Kind of feels good, like you're walking on a waterbed.
that was fun. It was a real learning experience, and I can say that I leave here with a great appreciation and gratitude for not just the AES people that live in this community, but the community in general. It takes a lot of effort, dedication, and service by all the people that live here over years and years to keep the quality of this land. I mean, it's amazing, the dedication that's gone into this over the years, and until you're here and you actually see it, I don't think you have the appreciation. So simply as I leave, thank you to Huntington Beach.